If you're a fan of Webflow, Framer, or even WordPress, this video is a must-watch for you. Tool that we will be talking about today, the specific feature we will be talking about today, is a game changer for all of you. If you're not a fan of those tools, you should probably still watch this video because the tool that we will be talking about today is a tool that you use on a daily basis and is a tool that just released a brand new feature that will blow your mind. You see, just a few days ago, making websites, SaaS applications was possible by prompting the AI, but you didn't have full control of the outcome, or at least you didn't have full control to make the edits exactly how you want it, where you want them, while you could influence the final product by making edits that were dependent on how good you were prompting the AI. Now you're able to make those changes manually. There is no need to make the design on one tool and transfer it to a different tool to be able to complete that. That's a thing of the past too. What if there was a tool that you already love that gives you the full control over the design of your projects? What if this tool was great at building and this is just the cherry on the top? This is completely insane. Well, and that feature already exists. Today we will be talking about Lovable's newest feature, visual edits, and how this is a game changer for those of us who enjoy developing in this amazing AI code agent. I use Lovable fairly regularly. It's my second most used tool behind Repli agents, and I am excited for this feature because this gives me 100% control of exactly the outcome of exactly how everything will come out. And by the end of this video, you will be a master of using Lovable and its newest feature. Now, before we continue, I would like to know, what feature do you think Lovable should be launching next? They have been on a roll since December, launching feature after feature after feature. They have improved on their initial product about a year ago, leave alone about 2 or 3 months ago. They have come a long way, and I would like to know exactly what you would like them to develop next. There are no promises here. I'm just hoping that they will listen to the feedback. And the way you can leave that feedback is by leaving a comment down below. And I will take all the feedback, send it to the Lovable group, and hopefully they're able to implement some of your ideas. And while you're at it, please consider liking and subscribing. Liking the video will help me reach more people out there. Subscribing give me more credibility. Please consider doing so. But without further ado, let's jump in. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to the visual edits project. Just a few days ago, I'm making a website that had animations and that was fairly nicely designed. Would take days, if not weeks, if you were developing using tools like Framer, Webflow, even WordPress. It would take you a while. And I just created this a landing page for marketplace in relatively short amount of time, 10 to 15 minutes. And as you can see, it has some animations and allow me to do certain things, but there are some things that could be changed. This, the color for the font and some other edits that I would like to make. Like this down here doesn't look like it goes with the design, so we're going to do changes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Lovable and I'm going to select Edit. This opens the visual edit. Now, when you click the Edit button, you can do one of two things. Number one, you can select the element that you want to edit and you can tell the AI what to do, or you can go to that specific element and you can make changes. As an example, I will not use a message just to make a change to the text here and change it here. So I can say, this is a highly relevant collection or whatever. And I click save and the changes are going to save highly relevant collection. If I come back, and I refresh the page. What we're going to do. After I had done all the changes and save everything, then it can change. Let's take a look at exactly what is available. So we got margins, where we can change the margins on the sides or and bottom. We have padding, same thing, and change the background, and we can change the border radius. And additionally, we can enter custom Tailwind classes if we need to be able to make folder changes. Now, if you are on a test element, again, you have similar options, but you can also edit the content. If it's editable, keep in mind that if it's a dynamic content or dynamic test, you won't be able to edit that from here, at least as of right now. Then you can change the size for the font, make it bigger, or you can make it smaller. We're going to CSS, because that's before. For the colors, you can select one from the color palettes that they have available, or you can select your own custom colors, which give you 100% control over exactly the color that you want. You can select whether or not the font weight is going to be extra bold, semi bold, really thin, so you get full control over that. And again, you can select or you can enter any Tailwind classes that you desire here to further give you control over what you are building, right? We're going to save these changes and we're going to scroll down. There's a change that I need to make here. So the launching soon button, I want this to be raised 600. So this is a little like that. And we're going to scroll down, and this element, I want it to be completely black. So there you have it. It's completely black. I'm going to save these changes because that meets my intent. And I actually will make one more change. Canva, you select brand kit, take my brand color. Now I'm going to start changing buttons, colors. Think about it. I'm going to exit here. We don't have that page built yet, but basically we have that. Now we're going to come here, and I want to make sure there is some more margin in between. So we're adding more margin, or we can reduce the margin. And just clicking the up, down arrows here. And we will do a similar concept here, where we can create some margins. And that's it for that one. Now we'll edit this. Font for this one will be large and same. It's going to be bold, and it's going to Great. And we're going to save these changes. I think that's, we're going to exit here and go back, close this, or open new preview. And as you can see, highly relevant is added, launching soon, is change color. Down here is black. So this is exactly what we were looking for. And then if we go to if we go here, you can see by John Doe is bold, is a little bit bigger. Then we have in between. I think this meets the intent of the design that we were trying to achieve. And now we can proceed to create more pages and more a more robust system here. Now I'm going to go to my account settings page for you to see. I only use one message today, but we make quite a few changes. So in that one message that I used was used because I wanted to make this section down here horizontally scrollable. So I made that change earlier before recording this video. But other than that, all the other changes that we made to the design, although fairly basic ones, they were done without using any messages. So this is a game changer because it will allow you to save on messages and be able to have more control over your systems. Now, let's be real. Framer doesn't have an AI agent that helps you design your sites. Neither does Webflow or WordPress, at least natively, right? Lovable is in a completely different category with this brand new feature because just similar to the no-code tools, the AI coding tools that I know of, there are only a handful of them that are able to do this. And either they're not full stack or they're still in the process of getting their AI working to the level that Lovable is. So this places Lovable in a brand new category that no other tool is, or at least to the level that Lovable is. Now with Lovable, you will be able to develop great designs with AI and use Supabase as the backend and be able to manually make the changes that you need in order to achieve the design that you want and need. And that's a game changer. And I would say that although this is a simple implementation of this feature, expect to become more robust with time and, being hand in hand with these other no-code tools. This is just the start of what I'm hoping to be a revolutionary change where you can prompt the AI to develop something for you, and then you can take it from there and edit it and make it look and feel exactly how you need it to, and be able to take that code anywhere, self-hosted, and not be locked into a tool, just like the case of some no-code tools out there. Now, with that being said, what do you think? What should they build next? What should be their focus? Please let me know down in the comments below. And also, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It really helps me spread the word out there and reach more people. But we have reached the end of this video, so thank you for watching and I hope to see you on the next video.